morning, everyone. Today is Monday, Easter Monday to be exact, at 7 a.m. We had a very busy week of Easter events last week, and we have an even busier week this week, and I'm going to take you along with me. On Thursday morning, we are on a flight headed down south for a wedding this weekend, which we are so excited and happy about. And we have a full 4 days of events and things to do while we are down there. So today, I've already done Pilates this morning. I have to get some work done. I have an obscene amount of laundry to do. I have to put away 2 loads, and I have 2 loads that need to run. I'm getting my lashes done this evening, and then I have to get rid of some food in the fridge. I'm gonna figure out what I can make with what we have so it doesn't go bad while we're away. Then tomorrow morning I have Pilates again. I'm trying to get in as many classes as I can before we go. And then I'm going to pack. My husband and I like to pack as early as possible just to make sure that we have absolutely everything. I'm gonna try and come up with a creative recipe of what we have in the fridge so nothing goes bad. That's pretty much what we have on the agenda for the next couple of days, so let's get into it. Okay, this is so cute. Like I said, yesterday was Easter. It's Easter Monday. Ever since I was little, my parents always made us Easter baskets, which I feel like is a normal thing. They made it for us even all throughout college, after college. Yesterday, they didn't make us an Easter basket, which I didn't even remember. I didn't even think twice about. Today, my mom stops by and drops off an Easter basket. It is in a Christmas bag, and it does have my name crossed off and my husband's name written. It's not about the packaging, it is about what is in the packaging. So let's open it up and see what we got. We each got a little Pez dispenser. I love Pez. Like, my brother and I love Pez, so that was always in our Easter baskets growing up. We got a bag of Jolly Ranchers, chocolate, eggs, yum. These jelly beans are, look at this. These are giant jelly beans. And we each got a little Easter bunny. It's like me and Ben. Okay. Thank you, Mom. That was very nice of you. Even at 28 years old, I am still getting an Easter basket. Okay, so as promised, I am going to walk you through all of the miscellaneous ingredients, mostly produce, that I found in my fridge and how I'm going to prepare dinner with them tonight. I'm actually also in the process of making a video of 1 week of healthy dinners, walkthroughs of ingredients and how to actually make everything, recipes, all of that. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to see me actually make all these foods, that is going to be in that video. So without further ado, I'm gonna make somewhat of a Greek salad to start because we have all of this spinach that I have to go through. I found these tomatoes, some bigger ones, some smaller ones. So we're gonna throw those in the salad. I'm gonna make like a tzatziki sauce with this and then throw the feta cheese on top of it. For the main course, I have these salmon fillets, and I found these random carrots, so I'm just gonna steam them. And lastly, I found a bunch of fruit in my fridge, strawberries and grapes. I'm just gonna clean and cut these up and eat them for my lunch today. Good morning, everyone. Last I left off with you, I was making cookies. They turned out perfectly. I thought I mixed them for a little bit too long. My husband ate a couple last night and he was like, these are gonna be a problem for me. So I think they came out great. This morning I had a Pilates class, which was wonderful. It's gonna be my last one before we go down south. And today, again, I just have to get some work done. I think I'm gonna do a salad with chicken and some avocado tonight. That is my plan for dinner. And then I'm gonna get my lashes done this evening. I have 2 remaining loads of laundry that I need to put away, so we're gonna do that today as well. But let's get into it. I just want to give a really quick shout out to Bombas Socks. This video is not sponsored by them, but they did just send me a bunch of products that I want to share with all of you. As you know, I love Pilates, so gripper socks are a necessity. I got a bunch of different gripper socks in different colors. So first we have these ones, they're brown, they have like a little stripe on the top. So cute. We have these cream ones. I love anything cream. It's just neutral. I also got white ones in those. They're in the wash. And we have these light gray ones. And then we have the ones that I'm wearing, which I will insert a picture of because I wore them this morning to my Pilates class. These socks, they're meant for running. I also already wore these and they were really comfortable. I really like these a lot. We have these plain white socks that I wore the other night and they have these little roses along the top. I'll insert a picture. How freaking cute are those? I want them in like every color. You can just dress up such a simple outfit with these cute little socks. And lastly, we have these gripper slippers. These are so comfortable. They're fuzzy on the inside. I have been living in these over the past few days. Thank you so much, Bombas. They are a really great company. They really care about people. Every single purchase you make helps someone in need. So check them out. I don't know if this is still on their website, but if you've never made a purchase through them, you can get 20% off. So yeah, check them out and thank you so much, Bombas. Starbucks, got myself a matcha latte, and the barista who made it was like, look at how good of a pour this is. Like, it was all the way up to the brim. She was showing the other barista. I was like, okay, like we love a generous pour. And then I spilled it on my lap. So I'm gonna change my clothes so that I don't have a giant matcha stain all over them for a lash tech. And then let's go get my lashes done. Notice anything different about me? When I get my lashes done, I am a new woman. Now I feel fully ready for any occasion. Lashes make the biggest difference on my face, so I feel ready to go. My husband and I need to pack, so that is the last thing on our to-do list for today. Once we're done with that, we're gonna hang out and watch some hockey, and that's it. So let's get packing. That is it for a couple of busy days in my life. Please be sure to like the video while you are down there, subscribe, and leave me a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. Stay tuned for a travel vlog coming up later this week and another video on 1 week of healthy dinners. And with that, I thank you so much for watching and I wish you a lovely day.